All right, so we fixed the front end, the control arms, the sway bar links, the sway bar link bushings, as well as the outer tie rods, and the car did feel genuinely amazing after it's seen better days. So today we're finally gonna get after the rear. How are we gonna do the front without doing the rear, honestly? So we're gonna do the rear control arms, the sway bar link bushings, as well as the sway bar links. We're not gonna leave anything questionable. Oh yeah, that's jiggling. That's not supposed to move. Onto these guys. These are 14s as well. That doesn't look right. Had it right? All right, so here it is. Obviously, it's not like in the best condition. This thing was rocking when I first took it out, which was kind of sus. Yeah, the back too. Like that's got some give. Honestly, I might keep it and repress some new bushings. It is obviously concerning that this was like very loose, but I mean, yeah. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, we have the old one, and this is the new one. So obviously, yeah, this doesn't have any give whatsoever. That is rock steady. This, I'm not really sure if you guys can even see that. Like, it's the joint itself that's moving. Anyways, so let's throw this in. Okay, moving on to these top bolts. These are going to be torqued down to 43 foot-pounds. Now we're going to go ahead and move to these. Okay, now that that's out, let's take a look at it. It's pretty, pretty worn out. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and stick these in. Perfection. Bingo, it's a 17. Appreciate that. Okay, these are honestly in pretty good condition. These are not bad at all. I mean, it's a little expanded, but it's genuinely not that bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. I don't know which side it goes. I don't know if it really matters. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, so we got these in. We got those in. We got the front one in. Right there, where the shadow is. And then we got this guy. Time to switch sides. Once again, we're going to start with the rear control arm. Did not like the sound of that, but we're in there. I don't know if that was good for the threads. Probably not. Didn't feel too good. Once again, we got the old versus the new. Honestly, this one was in a little bit better shape than the other one on the other side. But we're still going to go ahead and replace these. This one's looking nice, you know. I like that OEM feel, me personally. I just like to know my car's spec'd to manufacturer's, preferences, so. How you doing, partner? Try and grab yourself a mic for the trunk. How's work? Yeah, that's the way she likes it. Sorry. We're going to put the mic over so loud. Clip it to your shirt, so I did hit it. With the magnet. She won't watch it. Sounds about right. Sounds about that. Oh well, no JK. How's work? Alright, man. You doing this over? I started late. I started like a couple hours ago.
Brian Speck failed me for the first time ever.
First time.
First time.
That was the first time. Once again, we got the old versus the new. Honestly, this one was in a little bit better shape than the other one on the other side. But we're still gonna go ahead and replace these. This one's looking nice, you know. I like that OEM feel, me personally. I just like to know my car's spec'd to manufacturer's, preferences. So.
How you doing, partner? Go and grab yourself a mic for the trunk. That was work. Yeah, that's the way she likes it. Sorry. We're going to put the mic over so loud. Clip it to your shirt, so I did hit it. With the magnet. She won't watch it. Sounds about right. Sounds about that. Hello, no JK. That worked. Right, man. You know this over? I started late. I started like a couple hours ago.
Brian spec failed me for the first time ever.
First time.
First time.
That was the first time
First time in 10 years.
at work.
At work. Don't do me like that.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yep. Socks. Getting rusty.
This is a new phone. You clean it? Yeah, I'm gonna clean it. Easy money. Easy money. Better than the front, huh? Yeah, I gotta check the front right. I'm gonna do that in a second as well. That is just sauce. Makes noise on the road. Yeah.
We do.
All right. Pretty easy, bro. So you start by taking off the wheel, obviously. And then I just went ahead and took off the control arm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like doing the full, taking everything off.
Mm-hmm.
Then these ones in the back, we're gonna torque these down to 43 foot-pounds. The camera keeps moving. All for that one shot.
Be allowed to Microsoft come.
Is there an actual answer?
I don't know. Went to
Gotta
Philly
have
for
it
the
in
first time. This dude cussed me out. Literally. Because I asked where I could get a good Philly cheesesteak.
Oh my God.
You know what he said?
What?
You're in mother effing Philadelphia. We just call them cheesesteaks.
We got the old one right here. Now it's time to put the new one in. Also, guys, why didn't you tell me to put these little pins on? Okay, I didn't even know. Alright guys, just like on the other side, we're gonna go to 29 foot-pounds, y'all.
This is some words of motivation and wisdom, chat. Research shows people who are slightly delusional about their future often outperform and out-earn strict realities.
Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, I'm cooked. Alright guys, we got the old one right here, onto the new. that should do it. Wasn't that bad, honestly. I think the rear is easier to do than the front. We got like the old adjustable control arms. That was that. This has been Fixing the Honda until everything works. See you guys in the next one.